That sounds pretty degreased to me. And then we're gonna pop out our new water pump. See this guy right here? This is a new water pump straight from Honda. Don't ask me how much this was. It was pretty pricey, but you cannot beat OEM quality. So if you open this guy up, you're gonna see that we have a nice new water pump. There you go. And this actually comes with the required O-ring already. As you can see right there, see? Got the O-ring on there, the gear, and everything matches. So next thing, we're just gonna get ourselves a little bottle of oil. Doesn't matter what bottle oil you use, just get something. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of oil all the way around here. Anything that's got O-rings or some type of rubber seal, typically O-rings though, you wanna make sure that you lube it up nice, all right? Because you don't wanna get this thing all jacked up because, man, it's expensive to get new ones. So I'm just gonna take this guy, just gonna drop it right here. Brand new bolts, depending on whatever size you need. Now remember, these guys have different sizes, so if you forget which is which, the right-hand side right here has got the longer ones, and then the other sides, the shorter ones. 1, 2, oh, you guys barely see this. 3, 4, 5, go back to the first one, there you go. And then this guy is about 8 foot-pounds. Crisscross. And before you forget, just put dots on all the bolts that you've already tightened so you know they are 100% tight. Sometimes I forget which bolts I've tightened, and I always try to go back and tighten them again even though they're already done. So that's kind of like an OCD thing to avoid issues later.